Welcome. So today we're going to talk about how I'm gating my Discord server, and this may be something that other coin creators and Discord community owners, operators, etc., however you want to put it, may want to do this as well. So those of us in the Gary Club, the Gary Coin ecosystem, Giraffe Tower, may have noticed these unusual looking accounts with Zs, Xs, just I'm feeling a bit like maybe these names are based on Russian alphabet, not too sure. Well, anyway, these accounts, what I've noticed is that they all have a very similar profile picture. This image there tends to come up with other ones. There you go. And then another one. So, there's nothing wrong with that. But these people aren't engaging at all. In fact, with my account, my server, I've got these notifications, but they haven't replied to me in the support channel to get them set up. And because I gate my server in such a way, they can only message in that support channel, which is here in the Start Now and Start Here section. So they have a role, which is called the visitor role. Now that role, I've set up settings on each of, basically as you enter the server, you have to go to my rules section, and then you'll do an emoji reaction, and I'll show you that in a second, but I just want to show you the role. So this is a little bit slow because it's recording and it's not a very quick process. So visitor. The visitor role, you really can't do much at all. You can only come in, see our most basic stuff in the Start Here section. But even before you get the visitor role, you just come in, you have no roles at all. You would land in a verify section. So they could only see that section, and you land into the server. You need to click the emoji to be granted the visitor role, and then that will open up everything in the Start Here section, and we can start talking, introduce them, see the announcements, official links, my Ask Me Anything recordings, things like that. And if they want to get access to all of the actual server, all the other bits, they're all gated for only coin holders and Giraffe NFT holders. And to be able to access any of that, have to be connected to Social Connector, have to verify the wallet address with Social Connector, Ethereum and Solana, and obviously go to the Verify Assets channel to then take the following steps to do that. So that's just a really, really quick overview of how I've done that. And I'll see if I can show you the actual, what it looks like for people who just arrived. It's called the Everyone. When there's no role, it's just everyone. So I'll see if I can show you that. So here in our server settings, we've gone to roles, and you can see all the roles that are there. You can see how many people have the roles. We can see 59 people currently have a visitor role. So we'll click here, go to view as the role. And then this is where Discord will now show you what those people see. So my little mouse here, just move this over. There we go. You want a better view now. So on the left hand side, you can see what they all see. So still quite a lot in terms of being a visitor, but there are certain elements that they don't see, and they can't comment in my general chat. So that should be blocked off for them. They can see it. That's it. They don't have permissions to comment in this channel or post in this channel. So the visitors can see what we're doing as a community because they're visitors. We want them to know what we're up to. We want them to see that we're lively. But if you become a member and you actually own a token, One Fuzzy Coin will access all of this, and then you'll actually be able to comment and post and stuff. So that's how I've gated my server. And I've noticed these accounts on other people like the Seed community, and there's a wallet channel where they're just putting in the Solana wallet, hoping and waiting for people to give them Solana. Now, I have a Solana wallet channel as well, but for some reason, these accounts have not shared their addresses there. So maybe that is because, I have blocked it off from visitors. So visitors can't do that. But once you've actually verified, you could post in there. I don't really need that anymore because I'm now pushing people to just do it automatically with Social Connector. This was before I had Social Connector working and had to manually send coin. But you can see now quickly in this last 5 minutes, this is how I've gated it. And I'm happy to do a live chat for anyone who wants more details on this.